Hello and welcome to the part 76 of the Arduboy dev stream. And today we will work a little bit on the editor. So I will not continue to do level design with you. It's not that I enjoy it, of course. It's quite interesting if you just can play with the editor, and it's quite fun. But I want to leave you some surprise just in case you want to play the game for yourself. So you may have some puzzle to solve by yourself. So I think I will stop creating new puzzle here. But there's still some code that we can do, like improving the editor, or maybe also some little change in the game engine. We'll see. And to start, I will show you some small modification I've done outside of the stream. So first, I fixed one very annoying bug in the editor, which was that the item was not drawn correctly. Yeah, let me launch the editor. So if you remember before, when I was zooming and when I was also panning the view, the items here, all the items were not placed at the correct position, and that was quite annoying because you had to really zoom to see where is the position. So now it's working no matter what level of zoom it is. And actually it was not the problem of the zoom, it was the fact that I didn't count the blue lines here to separate the puzzle. So if I have 1, 2 blue line, that means this, for example, this arrow launcher here had to be shift like 2 pixels to the right, because there is 1 and 2 lines. Actually 4, because the line itself is 2 pixels wide, so it's the thickness of the line times the number of the lines before the item that had to shift here. Alright, so the fix is actually quite complex and quite boring. The calculation is quite boring. So it's in the draw of the item class, and now I had to give more parameters like the puzzle line separator width, how many, the thickness of the line, and also what is the size of each puzzle screen with the scale applied. And then from these two information I can try to compute how many lines I have to shift, and then lines times the width. This is the new coordinate to apply. Same calculation here for the sensor. So it's it's a quite boring bug. Actually, it took me quite a while just to figure out. Finding the bug was easy, but then finding a solution was quite boring. So I added these two functions that compute the puzzle screen, and then here I just give these parameters to the item. And yeah, and basically that's it for this commit. Just change a bit the readme. Then second thing I've done is I have noticed a bug when I give the game for testing to my friend, and there was a sudden annoying bug, like mostly when you press the button and suddenly boom, it restarts to the main screen, or it restarts to the first screen. So for me it was like memory corruption. So I found a little bug here in the FX manager. Not all the variable were reset, but that was not the bug. Actually, the bug was in the map manager. It's in the function that add an item. Of course, we should add the item, then increase after. So, for example, at first there is no item, so you want to store it in index 0, and then you have one item. And then when we have one item, you store it in index 1, and then you have two items. So, but doing it here would store it first in index 1, then in index 2. So I think this function is called when you fire bullet, because the bullet is added to the manager. So I think that was the reason why. Well, I got that bug when I fired the bullet, and this bug appears when you play for a long time, not if you just play. If you play much more longer. So anyway, that was the two bug I fixed. Well, one in the editor, one in the game engine. And today we will. Where's the README? Let's check the README. We should do that. The statuette count. This statuette count is actually the number that is printed on top on the HUD of the game and also in the end screen. So we should do that. Also, this one thing we can try to do in Optim, but not for program, but for RAM, is that if you want to store your string in program, I think there's a macro which is pstr, like this. So you should place your string inside pstr. So we can try this at the pstr macro around the menu strings. So that I don't think that will reduce the program. I don't think it should change the program also, but at least it can reduce the RAM, which is right now we are at 82% of RAM, which is not full, but a bit high. So yeah. So, but actually, I'm quite curious. Let's try this. This should be quick to try. We can start by that and see. So we can go into the menu, for example. Let's keep this one. Let's, for example, this one. Just want to oops, I forgot to check. Yeah, 27,678. That's the program. I think that doesn't change, but the other one, 2,118. Is this one change? If I do this, yeah, 2,110, and the program is the same, 27,678. So it's just it's stay the same for the program. Basically, if you don't use the pstr macro, it will save both in program and in as a RAM in the RAM memory. So if this function is, if this string, sorry, is not changing, if it's a static string, so you just want to save it in program and not consume some RAM for memorizing it. So let's do it for all the menu. So that's the menu. I'm not sure about this, if I can make it a PSTR string or not. Maybe not. So and I think I used the draw char because I wanted to avoid using a print with a different color. I'm not sure why I just don't print the title. Anyway, so we have the other screen. Oops. And the screen here. And the help screen. All right, did I forget any string? I don't think so. This is okay, so that's the game over. That the draw victory. And that's the menu. Oh, yeah, this one also, but it's just the char. Maybe we can keep it like that. And the title, which I don't PSTR for now. Okay, let's compile. So we are at 2110. $1,936. So we were at 82%, and now we are at 75%. And we were at 27,678. Oh, now the program is a little bit bigger, 27,686, which I don't like. That's not nice. So I'm wondering if we should keep it like that. Maybe. Or partially. I don't know why. 678, yeah. Let me just undo quickly. And I will redo it. just the main menu for now. $27,688. Okay. What about this? $27,678. Okay. So maybe this 2 is too small. Okay, I'll redo everything and then let's remove these 2. Maybe just this one. It's difficult to know. $692. Guess there is several signature. Okay. Well, I don't know so far, so let's keep it like this for now. I'm just wondering, here is only one character, maybe you can just call the draw char. So XY and then $686. So before it was 678, so that means it's 8-bit more. Okay. All right. Let's try. Did we break something? Ooh, it seems we broke something. So the PSTR is I probably need another macro to read it. Yeah. Which I kind of forget actually. Let me search. F. What is F macro? There's a F macro also. I remember the PSTR macro, but kind of forgot. Use PSTR to ensure that the internal script is stored in flash memory. However, cannot be print because it will receive a char which represents base address. Differencing that pointer will access some random character from the address, which is YF also. Cast the result of PSTR. So should I write F of PSTR? Let's try that. Main menu. What if I write this? No, it doesn't compile. So I don't really know how to use this macro actually. Where is the doc? Where's the doc? And search for PSTR. No, but I want to search in the doc, please. Language reference. Here. Sorry, I'm searching on the doc. Sorry. What's that? I think I was not on the correct. Can I undo this? Nope. Nope. Oh, What? What? Okay. No. Where is? Why I cannot select my webcam? I think I put my webcam in full screen. Oh. Whoa. No way. I don't know how to undo this. I destroy my OBS scene and I don't know how to fix it. Oh, what's that? I will just delete this. What about the other screen? Okay. Let me delete this. Yeah. Let it copy it again. Okay. So. All right. So. Let's. What? Okay. What's that? No. What about program? The documentation of Arduino is worse than before. Huh? Before it was better. I don't know why. What happened? What did they do to the dock? Now I cannot find anything. It's crazy. Why did you break the dock? Come on. You have all the functions here, but no, cannot find anything. Give me the doc about program. Oh. Okay. So do you have PSTR here? There's no PSTR? The F macro. Is used, the string is print normally 7 in RAM. So if your sketch print a lot of stuff, it's your material. flash memory, you can easily indicate the string must be sent flash. Okay, so just F, maybe not PSTR. What about that? We can try this. I don't know. Get confused. What about this? F. Okay. Yeah. So I should just use F. What about the memory? Okay. So let's replace PSTR by F. Well, let's compile. So RAM is yeah, 1942, 75% is less, but the program is 27,722, which is more than 27,686. So actually it's really use the program instead of RAM. So I'm wondering if yeah, I know I revert the color of the character, but I'm wondering if I should do that or not, because this game we are lacking of program, we are not really lacking of RAM. So 678 is like, how many bytes is that? 722 minus 678. It's 44 bytes. That's a lot. That's a lot for me. All right, so maybe not. Maybe I will revert that. Maybe only the title could be PSTR, but I'm not even sure. Okay, so I will revert. Let's revert that. But it's good to have tested. So we revert that. So I can keep the draw char actually. Okay. I will revert the color, but okay, so let's compile this. So we are back to 27678, but 674 because I changed to draw char, I think. And we are at 82% of dynamic memory, which I don't care. I think I don't care. Well, it's good to know. So we can remember the F macro if needed. We are not obliged to do all of them. We could do some of them, like the longest one also. I'm wondering if I do a PSTR of this, does it work? Does it do anything? Why it's so low? 27,618. Why? But I guess it won't work. I guess I need to do something here. Yeah, no surprise. I think I need a progmen read byte. Now we have some example here, I think. Like this one. Let's use the classical syntax, progmem and some char. So sing message, chart set. Byte near, sig message plus k. Why there is, oh, strlen p. Okay. I don't want to use the strlen function. Why? It's strange. The syntax is a bit strange for me, but just okay, we'll try first this. No. Okay, we'll try their syntax. char blah 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 program equal, and then maybe I should have done this before. Nope. It's char. I'm trying to copy their syntax in the example, but I'm not sure that works. Sorry. Nope. That's strange. Let me check. So for example, or sprite data, constant unsigned char, blah blah. No, maybe not this one. Yeah, destroyable block, constant unsigned char, program equal. Okay. And then I'm doing the same thing here, except it's not const, but this, and then for blah 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 length my char program read byte message plus k. That should work. This one I don't know why it doesn't work. It's probably the string that doesn't like. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm not sure about the size of, so let's write this for now. Should we try, because it, right now it's 678. It's the same as before. I'm really curious. As if I do this only. Sorry, click too fast. 650. When there's something I don't understand, it's really annoying. I don't do something strange. Why it's writing garbage? Well, I know I'm reading 13 characters, but at least the first two should be correct. So I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I think no, never mind. I will do that outside of the stream. Maybe I will search. So again, let's revert that. And let's do what I planned initially. So yep. So you revert that. And basically we just change print by a draw char, which I think it's a valid optimization. It's just give 4 bytes, but at least that works. Anyway, so let's switch to the other task, which was where's my readme? So pstr/f macro. Oh, sorry. What I'm writing here. F macro. So maybe you can think about it later. And so the max statuette count should be exported by the editor. Okay, that's, yeah. In the game engine, you can also try to fix the walking on spike. That would be nice, but first I will do that. Okay, so this is in Rick, but we need to change it to make it in the file that where the constants are exported. And so what's max statuette count? So this one. Yeah, this one. We will find all. Let's change the code. So that's HUD. So and it's only drawn in the HUD actually. Oh, maybe I should draw it also in the end screen. So I remove it from here and I will place it, even if I will override the file, I will place it into the map data const variable, size of the level, coordinate first screen, and then we can write number of statuette to collect. Okay, and so here it's inside the map manager. So that's the map manager. Yeah, that's the readme. And yeah, we're just only in these two. Yeah, like I said, we may want to do it in the game over screen in the main menu. like here. You found the grail and X statuette. I just drew the sprite of the statuette, but maybe I should slash total. Not sure. This function should be called 2 times for game over. Yeah, game over and success. That's the game over and blah blah collected and a victory. So yeah, I think we can change this. So print statuette count. What is deck? What is the back deck of print? I forgot. Then we draw the statuette. Then we set the cursor, but here we can draw. Ah, yeah, deck is decimal. Okay. So map manager and this and we can draw a char where I don't know where is the cursor. Ah, yeah, the cursor is here. So get cursor x plus 2 plus 6, sorry. Well, actually it depends on the statuette width. So this plus 1. Helping the compiler. Then the y, cursor y. We draw the slash and yeah, white and black, and then the statuette count. Okay. We can try this, and if it's okay, we will export the value. Map manager is unknown in the HUD, I guess. So include map data const variable .h. We are not in the correct file. Not in main menu, but in HUD. No, not in. Ah, yes, in HUD. HUD, of course, the HUD needs it now. Okay. $27,776. That's quite a lot. So much to draw the number of statuette in the end screen. So we'll just die. $0.20. Where is my where's my slash, and then overrided the statuette number. Okay. Let's go back to the menu. So draw char x plus statuette plus 1. I think it's here. So I think we should do the set cursor before drawing the statuette count, and then it will update the cursor. So x plus statuette sprite width plus 1, then or plus, why it's plus 8, by the way. I forgot, because no, that's a statuette sprite width. Because of space. Let's add a comment. Add a space and the width of the statuette for the cursor. Alright. But no, I think it's not correct. This one should, because yeah. So we don't want to add the space anymore. Ha. Let's do this. But here I've done a set cursor, so do I need to do a set cursor here? At some point I need to do it, but because here it's just a draw char. Let's go to print then. Not sure what is faster. what takes less space, I guess. But I need to add a space after. That's a lot of code. Not what I want to do, sorry. I want to do a set cursor. So what is the size of this? What is the size of this? $27,754. Wow, that's so much space. Why? Writing text on Arduboy is so much spacey. The 120 collected. Maybe I should just write 0/number, then statuette collected. That would be better, I think. Sorry for the digression. So we write the space number. Here. Print, print, print. Then draw bitmap, cursor +2. Let's remove that. And yeah. A little bit less. 27,748. Zero and 20 collected. Okay. Yeah, what about the winning screen? So I have to finish the game. You can see me playing. Let's do a speed run. We'll see the first speed run of with bug exploit. The first speed run of Rick Arduros with bug exploit. You can time it. Let's collect one just for the end screen. You know that when we arrive here, there's only, and if you didn't die, you only have one dynamite. And no dynamite. At some point, if I want more dynamite, I need to put a crate somewhere. Will I die? Okay. You found the grail and 120 grail. Well, it seems it works. Okay. So if I add the total here, it's 27,748. Yeah. Okay, we can do that. But what is more important, and if I don't do it, like if I just comment these two lines, because basically this is yeah. What is the size? Oh, I didn't save, sorry. $27,674. Yeah, before it was 678. And if I add that, it's 748. So 748 minus 674. Ah, that's 74 byte. That's crazy. That is super expensive just to draw the max quantity. Amazingly expensive. I don't get it. Anyway, let's comment it for now. We'll see if we have if we can afford it. But for now we cannot afford it. I'm sorry, 74 bytes! It's too much. That's too much. 774. Yeah. Six 674. 772. Yeah. I'm double checking my math. Yeah, 748. That's really expensive. And this function we already call it with this, so I don't know. What about this one? $738. It's 10 bytes. So just by calling this function makes 60 byte, which is really crazy. Why this print is so expensive with a value inside? I don't know. So if I just remove these two, do I gain 60 more? $462. I guess because the whole function with the int is stripped from the code. That function seems very, very expensive, this print. That's maybe a possible way of optimizing the code. So it's 74, 6. Like before we were at 674. If we just call it one time, 674 minus 462. It's 200 bytes, this function. Wow, that's huge. I know, I need to export this number, but probably we can do better. I think we can have a function to convert to from int to string in a smaller size. Let's keep it like that for now, and then we can let's modify our editor. All right, let's switch environment. So basically, I just want to count 1, 2, 3, how many statuettes we have in the game, in the level 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah, and then export that. So that should be quite simple, I think. So it's in the map. It's only writing. We don't care about reading. So let's write, and I think we can use this array, this list, with the statuette here, and then similar type. No, not this one actually. It's a list of item type. It's a list of item type. Yeah. So all the item is where in a dictionary. I forgot. Dictionary item type list item. Yeah, my item are here, so I can list from the type statuette, and then that's basically the size of this list actually. That seems pretty simple to do. So let's try. This is right, and this is so right function. No, right. Nope. Nope. Const variable. Yep, that's the function I'm looking for. And we can add more stuff here. So we can add some comment. We will add a line. I will copy my comment from what I already wrote. Fix it. So number of statuette to collect, and then static const exp. So it's the statuette count, quant equal plus items. So items is a dictionary. So the key is the type, and then I get a list. Item type dot statuette. So it's a list dot count. Okay, and plus the end of the line. All right, that should be it. Let's regenerate the file. I open it, and then I just save it. Okay, then we switch Yep. And then, okay, we have 5 statuettes. This seems to work. Let's double check. So it's 1 here, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. It works. That was easy. Optimization is not easy, but feature implementation is so much easier. So we can commit this and we can try to optimize this print function. Let me just, I will just rebuild this just to make sure that is compiling, that I didn't generate. Yeah. And so even in the HUD that should be, yeah, now we display 5, 0, and 5. Okay. That's great. Okay, that's great. So let's commit this. So what did we change? Yeah, we just moved this const variable. Oh, by the way, I think we need to remove from the readme. So in the main menu, we change, because there's only one character instead of 2 call, instead of 1 and then print, we just draw a char. That save a little bit some program here. That's for later. Our const variable now contain the statuette in the readme. So this exported by the editor, it's done. Okay, and in Rick we remove it, I think, from Rick. Yep. And this is the editor. Yep. So make the editor export the total statuette count in the whole game. All right. So 1 hour 18 minutes. Maybe, yeah, we can try to do this optimization at the end of the stream. That would make our effort not so useless for the stream. I don't know if I can, but let's try. I should be able. I mean, I don't know if I can make something smaller. That's what I mean. So yeah, let's put it in the not HUD, in the main menu. So I need a function, but yeah, I can return a char pointer. Or just write a function. Let's make a function that just write a number, because I will call it 2 times. So void print number, char number, unsigned, because I don't care about the sign. I will not try to print a negative number. Oops, sorry. So No, actually you need a while, not a for loop. So while number is so you need to draw first so, or you can use, you need to divide by 10 every time and print the modulo can't remember how to write that in small format, because I can print from right to left. I don't care, because I will probably use the print char, draw char. So I don't know what is the fastest one. Yeah, I can print modulo 10, then divide by 10 to shift. Yeah. So I want number to be greater than 0. And there is just one case, is if it is 0, then I still need to draw 0. So I can make a do while. Maybe I can do it with a do while. I'm not sure. Let's see. Draw char. So but the problem is if I draw them like this, it's a bit difficult. I'm trying to write it super optimized. So. Char x, y, okay. So we'll just print the font character, and that's the number plus this one. So base number of number, I need to check again in the ASCII table, where is the 0. So 0 is 48. 0 is 48. Yes, 48. Okay. 48 plus number modulo 10, and it's white black. Yep. And then you divide number by 10. So if you do that, okay, and then I need to increase x plus 6, which is the font size. If I do that, then I will write the number in the reverse order. So that's a problem, and I don't write the 0 also, but so let's see. So I can write it from right to left, but if I do that, I need to know how much far to the right I need to go before writing it. So probably I need 2 loops, one for checking how much tenth, how much character I need, and then another one to write it. Because I don't think I can do it in one go. Yeah, maybe we can do that in 2. Char count. So I will count the number of character for the number. Okay, and then I can do a for loop. Sorry, bad habit. Okay. So this I can do. I could even use the same increase x by 6. So use the same. That may be smaller. And we can just multiply char count by 6. So do I need something else? No, I think it's fine. No, because oh yeah, x is here, so let's keep it for like this for now. Okay, so I draw x, y, the font, number, and I still need to divide the number by 10. That should work. Let's try to do something like this, for example. Print number 456. Does it compile? Oh, I forgot to declare this function. 456 is too big. Like 138. Sorry about that. font. I need to include this one. Yeah. Arduboy core. Nope. Custom Arduboy. This one I need. But if I include the .c, there will be two declaration. Oh, if and def. Define and if. Yeah, I need to forward declare this. Oh, I don't think I need a program here. Static unsigned char. How can I get reference on the font? Yeah, I also need to do this read byte font plus, yeah, I need to do that. And I need to forward declare extern constant change, blah blah blah. Yeah, in the forward declaration I cannot put should not put the program. Okay, is that working? Ah. Extern const unsigned char. Does it need the static? I'm not sure. I don't think it needed specifier and declaration of font extend constant. In file. Const unsigned char. I don't know why you cannot find it. Maybe I should remove the static. If I remove static, I'm oversize. Then I need to call the draw char. Oh. Oh, yes. I already called the draw char. What I'm doing, I should not access font directly. I should just convert it into a char. Draw char is taking unsigned char. Yep. Yeah, I should not access the font directly. Alright, so 27,714. Let's see if our function is working, by the way. Zero, zero, zero. Ooh, that's not good. Our number is main menu 138. 138. Oh, already divide number here. Okay. So I should copy it, of course. Number copy. And then we can divide number. Okay. 732. A31, which are reversed instead of 138. Yeah, so I forgot to adjust the position in the wrong order, so I said we should draw from right to left. So this plus charcoal times 6, and then should be minus 6. All right, let's compile this. 138. Okay. Okay, that works. But so what's the size? 730. 730. And if I don't call it, what's the size? So 27,674. Yeah. Because of this. So let's remove this. Okay. And so we start, if we don't print any number, we start at 27,462, which is, I'm very happy with that. And then if we use our print number function now, so I'll keep that for now. Let's just this one, for example. It's 566, which is good. Let me write down some numbers to see if we optimize something or not. So 25, so 5, just write the end, 566, and before it's 7, I forgot again, sorry, let me put it back. Uh, 674 and 566. So between my function and the default library function, we save 674 minus 566, 100 byte, which is good. I like it. Of course, our function is maybe not. It's only working for all kind of number, which means I cannot support negative number, for example, and so on. I'm wondering, by the way, if we have 0, I think 0 should not work. So let's fix it to have a proper number. If this is this is 0, so we will not go into the while. Okay, so that's why I was thinking maybe we can do a do while, and then we have at least one character. But if it's 1, we start charcoal 0, charcoal will be 1, then it will be 0 again. It's 1 character. Yeah, maybe the do while will work. do let's compile. Okay, 74. We still have this one, 564, 566 or 564. It's even smaller, even 2 bytes less, and I think that should fix the print of 0. Let's try by printing 0. So I don't care about the size now, I just want to check if it prints 0. It prints 0, okay. And now if I print 1, does it work also? It prints 1. And if I try 13, for example, okay, it prints 13. Okay, good. So it seems our function is working. And so now I can try to print all of this and see the size. For this one, we didn't change the cursor, so I think only this number knows how many he printed, so I think we should do a set cursor and move it. After printing it. So it should be x plus this one. So by the way, I'm not sure if I'm positioned correctly. If there's only one character, then I will print at the cursor position plus 6. So I will print a space. So I guess this should be jar count minus 1 times 6. Because otherwise, if I have one character, I will not print it at current x, I will print it next if I have two. Yeah, so I think this should be char character minus 1 times 6, and I think I can directly set the cursor here before modifying it. Get the current cursor position and reset it at the end of the number. Iterate on the number of character to draw. Count how many character we need to print the number, the specified number. Okay. I check again the size this time, because we add some code. So 27,570. Okay, yeah, a little bit more. 570, but still 674 minus 570, it's 104 byte saved. Okay, what about this? If I do this, $27,612. Okay, 612. So 674 minus 612 is 62. So we save 62 bytes, and we have a new features, which is printing the total statuette count in the end screen. I will, just for debugging purpose, just to make sure we have it right, I will print it here. So don't look at the size. Okay. Yeah, I need to, let's command the play. Let's start again. Zero is not printed. Or the variable is not initialized, maybe. Nope. Wow, it's almost 2 hours. Let's check if I can fix it quickly. Oh, but this one need to, yeah, need +6, of course, because I want to print here, but then I want to move the cursor to the next position. So okay. So yeah, 0 and 5, and if I, on the end screen, how does it looks? Zero and 5, statuette collected. Yeah, I think it's good. So let's clean the code and commit this. So all right, then I remove this. in the statuette count under max statuette count, draw the statuette icon. Okay, final compilation to see the size. 27,616. All right, 674 minus 616. It's 58 bytes saved by rewriting our function. All right, so that's cool. Let's commit this, and we will end the stream here. Yeah, okay, basically we wrote our own function and print the numbers. So optim rewrite the print number function. All right, that's it for now. It's a bit long. Thanks for watching. Today we have finally put the total number of statuettes in the editor. The editor exported and optimized the function to print it in the end score and end screen, not end score. Yeah, so I think that was it. We try also to research on the string, putting the string in a more prog-mem without good success, but who knows, maybe outside of the video I will search more and try to see if we can save some RAM without losing too much prog-mem. Maybe that's necessary, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Next time we will continue probably to do some small adjustments, small in the editor, or a small bug maybe chasing in the game. And then see you in the next video. Bye bye.